From a hillside in England, where a wheel of cheese dares gravity. Across continents, the race is slow to a crawl or surge through water on shore.
It's flying!
Watch a step!
Woo! Ha! Nearly got it!
Coming through!
Down I go! Keep after it! It's mine!
Stay on your feet! Nearly there!
And your feet! Get the cheese! Keep running! Watch the wheel! Keep your feet! Keep your feet!
We're flying!
Beautiful leap. He's airborne.
Come on, little guy.
Landing. And perfect touchdown.
Yes, nice job.
Keep moving! You got this!
Almost there. Hold on.
I'm not going anywhere! Good pace, good pace!
Flash, watch it.
Woo! We got mud in my teeth! Last stretch! Go, go!
It's like trying to dress a cardboard cutout.
Mine won't even bend. Oh, there it goes.
The ice coming off yours.
I can't feel my fingers, but I'm winning.
Okay, sleeves. Nope. Ah!
You're a walking hanger. Button one.
Yeah!
さあそれでは本日のドッグルックアライクコンテストファイナリストの皆さんです。まずはこちら柴犬はるくんとオーナーの佐藤さん。
よろしくお願いします。
続いてトイプードルのモカちゃんと高橋さん。
You can do it, mate.
Oh God, that is strong.
He's definitely feeling that one.
That's a monster, man.
Hold him up high. Check this out. Look at the size of that cat.
That's the winner right there.
From the wild to the wonderful, these strange contests remind us that fun, laughter, and courage connect us all around the world.